Good morning. It's 4:46 a.m. I'm waking up early because I want to go get a Starbucks Bear. So let's go do that, and fingers crossed that they have it, and then I'm gonna go right back to bed. An hour and a half later, basically, I'm back home and I got the Starbucks Bear. Oh my gosh, what a morning. Long story short, I stopped by 3 different Starbuckses. The first one I went to, I was like in line before they opened. The people that worked there bought the 3 bears that they got in stock. The second store only had 1 in stock, and the third store only had 1 in stock. And the last 2 stores I went to told me to go to the grocery store that has a Starbucks inside of it that opened at 7. But I knew that that grocery store opened at 6. So I was like, you know what, F it. Let's just wait in the parking lot till 6. I saw 2 girls walk in, and I was like, okay, I guess I'll walk in at 6 too, and not like at 6:50 or something, like right before 7. They got 2 bears. They were like, there's 2 more left. Do you want one? And I was like, of course I want one. I grabbed one. Not even 2 minutes later, another lady walked in, grabbed the last bear, and I thought we were going to need to wait at the grocery store until 7 to like purchase it. But thankfully we were able to purchase it with the cashier from the grocery store. So got home 6:30. I'm going to try to relax a little bit. Maybe take a little nap, like a 10-minute something, and then, get ready for the day. But what a morning. But we got it. So cute. Good morning. I forgot to turn on my camera for my cleansing morning routine, but I basically got dressed, put my hair up in a ponytail, and I was kind of in between should I do my makeup or not. But because today, yes, I am going into work and I'll be wearing this sweater, I'm like a little in between if I should do my makeup or not, because I have a dance class after. So today's kind of a very long day. I am going into the office slightly earlier. That way I can head out slightly earlier too. But that's just because I have a lot of stuff going on in the city, and I figured might as well, get things going. And I woke up early anyway, so might as well. And I'm going to be putting these on because I don't think I'm going to put makeup on. But I feel more awake after, clean my face a little. But I definitely feel like I need something to wake me up a little bit more, or at least look a little bit more awake. So I'm putting on the Smooth and Boost mask for my under eye. And I'll keep this on until I head over to the train station. But that's my little update for today, or for right now. So let's head into the city. Made it to Grand Central, and I got some of the work stuff done. I met with a coworker here to get some things done on my computer that I couldn't do from home. And now I'm heading to somewhere else to work, maybe grab a little snack, we'll see. But so far, the things that we had on my to-do list are checked off, which is good. So let's head into the city. I ended up working out of somewhere between 31st and the Edge. I think it's like 1 Manhattan West or something. It's a nice little area with the background. I was able to see the Empire State a little bit better, but it is what it is. Getting a little lunch break in. I have a couple of hours before I have to head over to Rockefeller Center area to do that tryout thing. So we'll see how that goes. I was able to FaceTime my sister and get some things sorted out that I needed to. But now it's again a little bit of a walk. I'm gonna work out of somewhere else, probably closer between here and 42nd Street. They have some pretty good open public spots to get a chair. Maybe depending on where I eat, I'll stay seated there, but we'll see what happens. I just have to remember to film because I keep forgetting. So we'll see where the day takes us. There's always something going on in Times Square. I just stopped by the Disney store and I got some stuff. I can show that later on. But I'm heading to Capizio before the tryouts, and now it's basically the afternoon, which is crazy, but time went by so quick. I plan on eating a little bit more after. I was gonna eat before, but there was nothing really that called my attention, so I just grabbed something to drink. But it's crazy to see all like the holiday stuff getting placed out. But right now, just walking to Pizio and then to like the Rockefeller Center area. So that's my little day in the life update. I'm not sure when the last time I came to this church was, but I do come often. And the last time I came, they were still doing like reconstruction on this section, but this is all new. That hasn't been here before, and I haven't seen it. And like I said, I usually come here every time I come into the city, like this area, like other than for work. I stop by St. Patrick's, so it's very weird because even the like the back check is here, not in the middle anymore. So it's kind of strange, but I'm curious to see if the next time I come back, if that like mural is still gonna be in that middle section. But now heading to tryouts and then dance class, so it should be fun. And yeah, that's the little update for St. Patrick's. It's getting dark. I finished the tryout. It was such a fun time. And now I'm heading to, I think, Columbus Circle and maybe Central Park. I'll see if I like walk that a little bit. My feet are starting to hurt. I've walked definitely more than thousands of steps. I actually want to check. And I have the dance class after this. So I don't think I set myself up for success because I've walked 17,000 steps and counting, and I'm with my little boots. So we'll see how that goes. But so far, so good. Been a fun day here in the city, and we'll regroup later. Made it to the Lincoln Center. I was gonna say to the New York City Ballet, but basically to Lincoln Center. And it's so weird because Nutcracker season is still yet to actually start. And I've walked over 21,000 steps. So my feet are killing me. Like I said, I'm in like booties. But it's almost time for my class. I love this set area in general. So I'm gonna get ready for that. And I'm gonna start that video in like 2 seconds. I am almost back to Grand Central. It's like 9 something and my feet are killing me, not because of the dance class, but because I was in these boots. I walked over 21,000 miles and I feel it. So I am 2 blocks away from getting on the train, but what a fun day. I'll add some pictures that I have here from the ballet. And I think I'm gonna showcase what I got in the little bag and stuff on like the main video of the New York City Ballet. So I'll do that when I'm in the train because the little bag, like we got a little bag. I don't know if I showed that well, but we got a little bag and it has some little goodies in it. So definitely will be using that. And my feet are killing me, like literally killing me. And I took the 7. Like the one in the 7 to get to Grand Central, but for some reason on 5th Avenue, the trains, like the subway stopped. So I didn't want to miss this train because we're not going to get home pretty late. And I have to get back here real early for tomorrow. So I'm going to end the vlog here, but thanks for watching.